Now we are going to see how to connect Google Meet in laptop. But before that, I don't have data connection in laptop. So first I'm going to connect net data in laptop through my mobile phone. So I have this mobile phone. This is Redmi mobile. I have taken the data card and I have connected the broader end to the laptop and the shorter end to the mobile. Okay, it's now connected. Now in the notification area you can see that you must turn on the data. Now mobile data is turned on. Next get into the settings. You can see more here. Click on that. Then you can see USB tethering. So turn on USB tethering. Now wired connection is there, connected between laptop and the mobile. This is Redmi mobile, and if you have Oppo or Vivo phone, you will get through settings and then other wireless connections and then USB tethering. So like this you can easily share your data from mobile to the laptop. Now let us see how to have a Google Meet through the laptop. So for this you need a Gmail account. You need a mail ID. So click on this Google Chrome and then you can see this M icon here. That is because I have not logged out from the mail ID. So already I have logged in and I didn't log out from this laptop. So you can see this icon. So just click on that icon. And if you have logged out, then you must give the email ID and password and then enter into your mail ID. You can see all the mails here, mail area here, and on the left side you can see start a meeting. Click on that start a meeting. So you'll have like this. Now you can see join now here. Click on that join now. Next you must click on copy joining info. Click on copy joining info. Now you have copied the info, that is the path. Now you must go to Google Chrome now. Okay, click on that. So you can see this WhatsApp icon here. That is because I have logged into that WhatsApp, web.whatsapp.com. Also I have already logged in. So if you have not logged in, then you must type web.whatsapp.com here. So like this. Then in our mobile you must get into the WhatsApp. So here you can see the 3 dots. They are called hamburger. So click there. You will have this WhatsApp web here. You must click that. So if it is already not connected, then you will have a QR code in the screen. So here also, from this you can scan the code. But now it's already logged into that laptop. So you can just click on that WhatsApp icon. So you see here, click on that. If you click on that, what all WhatsApp contacts are there in that particular number of this mobile phone, you can get all the numbers here. You can get all the numbers here. So you can easily, so see here, you can easily get this. Now this is 6th standard. In the 6th standard I am going to paste the link. And so if I paste the link, I'll have that okay, wait. So start presenting your entire screen. Click on this and then share. So like this you can present. standard. Paste it. Paste here and then share. Then share it. Okay. Now, so we are going to present now. So one by one students will come here. See, you have to admit them. Admit, 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 admit. Yes, admit all the students. Yes. How are you all? Ready for the test? Yes, you are ready for the test? Okay. So, that's all. Who else? Okay. So now, wait. So already I have opened our software, Empower software. So we have to just go there. Now for 6th standard I am going to conduct test, MCQ test in science.